So type the site name tkseduramaligamvt.genomio.com in your browser. So after that, it will move to the login page. So click on the login. You have to enter the username and password. Click on login. Now it moves and land on my dashboard. So in this dashboard you can find the course title, Digital Combinational Logic Circuit. Click on this. It will move to the course landing page. So in the course landing page, I have given the announcement and a chat named discussion. So students view this announcement. So in this announcement I have mentioned the objective. Students must learn about the digital circuit. And in the discussion I have mentioned the prerequisite, that is the basics for these digital combinational logic circuits. I have mentioned the handouts and other activities for a video. Okay, so everything have been listed here. So user can first read these documents and understand what is going to be in the further topics. Then they can proceed to the courses which I mentioned here. So this is the introduction for logic gates, and the second one is the half adder. Third one be the half subtractor and full subtractor, and the fourth one is multiplexer and demultiplexer. And finally I have given the assessment and evaluation for the users. And now in each topic I have mentioned 4 different activities. In the first activity be the page. So in this page resource I have mentioned a description about what is logic gate. So user can read this paragraph and they can able to understand what is logic gate. And the second is an URL. So by clicking this URL, the user can able to watch a YouTube video about the introduction of logic gates. And the third one is the handout which I have prepared. By clicking this handout, a detailed explanation about the logic gates have been given for the users. So this helps you to better understanding about the basic logic gates. And finally the user has to submit an assignment in the given below question in the document format or PDF or text file format. So after that they can upload it in the given column. Similarly, I have mentioned the 4 activities for each topic: a page, video link, handout and an assignment for half adder and full adder. Similarly, the same for half subtractor and full subtractor, and multiplexer and demultiplexer. So each topic will have 4 different activities: a page, web URL, handout and an assignment. Finally, I have mentioned a course assessment. So I already made an attempt for an assessment. So here I have mentioned 10 number of questions which I fetched from my question bank. I will show you the review of questions over here. So out of 10 I got 9 questions were corrected. So these are the list of questions what I answered here. And this is the navigation window, how many questions are corrected and which are all the wrong. So I will finish it and let me start a fresh window, how it will be looks to the users. So it will ask one question in one page. So user has to answer for the first question and click on to the next page, you will show the second question. So like that the user can answer all the 10 questions. I will show you who are all the users what I created here. Myself as a student, I have make an enrollment as a student, and followed with I was given 10 sample of users. Through bulk user creation I have make this, and this is the grade sheet where the users performance can be viewed over here. So thanks for watching.